How's it going, everybody? It's Matt again, and I have another just a little short video for two more full frame packs, utilizing, of course, the XC2000 frame that I recently finished. We have the trailer version of Nightfall and the standard version of Nightfall. I'm not going to go over every individual piece as I haven't for the other ones, just because there are videos that I've already made dedicated to all the different weapons and the frames themselves. So this is more of just kind of like a video just to kind of showcase that they are available and you can make them. And I'll just kind of show everything that's going to come with them. So we're going to go ahead and just look at the trailer version of Nightfall first, because these are going to be separate kits. So here we are with the Ludlow machine gun, the Scudder assault rifle here on the back, and then we have the Ashmead pile bunker, and then the Duo O2 missile launcher, and then of course the entire XC2000 frame with the shade eye, crawler legs, orbiter core, and tool arm arms. So yeah, of course, this is fully articulated. Both of them are fully articulated. If you want to see that, you can check out the XC2000 frame video that I recently released. It should be in a playlist somewhere if you want to see the articulation. I'm not going to go over it in this one. Same thing with all of the weapons here. These are completely, entirely 3D printed. These are all in resin. You can make them in FDM if you would like to. Just be aware that the tolerances might be slightly different. But there is the trailer version. Now, other stuff that this is going to come with, if you get a physical copy from my shops, it's going to come with a bunch of different hands. So we have, currently he's got a fist and a holding hand on one side, but you're going to get another holding hand for the other side, another fist for the other side, and two open hands. You're also going to get the option parts for the closed visor version of the head, like so, because the open visor version is over here, and you'll get the antenna and the open expansion for the back if you want the assault armor to be activated. So you're going to get all of those, and you're also going to get the open version of the missile pods for the back if you prefer to use the open ones, and you'll also get the opened version of the pile bunker. It utilizes the big long pole pylon spike in the closed version, so you just take that out and replace it with this, and you can have the activated pile bunker. Of course, all of these weapons and the entire frame, everything is cross-compatible with the official 30-minute missions Bandai stuff, so you can use that. So that is the trailer version. And then we also have the regular version of Nightfall. This version, the only difference is it's going to come with the Duo O3s. It's going to come with the Songbirds grenade cannon, and actually that is it. Yeah, just the Songbirds and the different back weapon. It's not going to come with the Ludlow. But yeah, so there it is. The standard Nightfall. It is going to come with, of course, all of the additional parts here, the extra hands, the different core, the different head, and the different parts for the pile bunker. But it's also going to come with the open missiles for the rear. And it's going to come with, let's see, where did I set it? The shortened barrels to make the collapsed version of the Songbirds, if you would like. So, yeah, there are the two new kits, and I'll go ahead and show them next to some official Bandai stuff. There is the Orbiter kit, and here is the Melander kit. So it fits right in with all of the 30-minute mission line of kits as it is supposed to, or as they are supposed to, rather. So yeah, so these are the 3D print files are already available on my Patreon, and they will be available on my website and on Colts if you would like to pick those up. I believe they are for the current month of September's rewards, probably for the next few days or so. So go ahead and grab those, become a member, and get those if you would like to 3D print these out yourself. If not, and you would like a physical copy, they will be available on my website if you check that out for the physical print versions, and they will come with everything that I had mentioned earlier, all the different add-on pieces and all the parts that you see. These are two separate kits, so it'll be the trailer version or the standard version that appears in the game, depending which one that you wanted, so just keep that in mind. And there we have it, both versions of Nightfall, the trailer version and the standard version. Of course, like I had mentioned earlier, they are already available in file form for you to 3D print, and all the different locations where I post those. If you want to get in physical copy, I am selling those on my website, so please feel free to go check that out. The links to all of that is in the description. But of course, if you got this far in the video, thank you so much. Please consider leaving a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. If you want to support me here on YouTube, you can sign up as a member, though there aren't really any benefits to it. It is a way to support me if you feel like it. Also, of course, Patreon. You can check it out. The files for this are already for this month's memberships, September 2025. So you can still grab those if you go over there right now and sign up as just like the lowest tier, and you'll be able to get access to them. But that is probably the best way to support me if you feel like doing so. I'd really appreciate it. But of course, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.